Good morning to all of you. So, welcome to the DK Institute of Mathematics. So, in this lecture, we can discuss about the regions and domains. Regions and domains. What is regions and domains? The firstly, what is meant by circle? Circle. The equation of circle with center z naught and radius r is defined as mod z minus z naught equal to r. This is called as circle. The second definition, open disc. The equation of an open disc with center z naught and radius r is defined as mod z minus z naught less than r. This mod z minus z naught less than r is called as the open disc. और अगर क्लोज डिस्क बोला हमें तो क्या होता है वो? द इक्वेशन ऑफ क्लोज्ड डिस्क विद सेंटर z naught and radius r is defined as mod z minus z naught less than or equal to r is called as closed disk. Move to the next definition, the punctured disks. The equation of a punctured disk with center z naught and radius r is defined as this combination of this open disks and closed disks is called as the punctured disks. 0 less than mod z minus z naught less than or equal to r or 0 less than mod z minus z naught less than r is called as the punctured disks. We move to the next definition. This annulus. The set S1 of points satisfying the inequality R1 less than mod z minus z naught lie exterior to the circle of radius R1 centered at z naught, whereas the set S2 of points satisfying mod z minus z naught less than R2 lie interior to the circle of radius R2 centered at z naught. Thus, if 0 less than R1 less than R2, the set of points satisfying the simultaneous inequality R1 less than mod z minus z naught less than R2 is the intersection of the sets S1 and S2. This intersection is an open circular ring centered at z naught and is called as the open circular annulus We move to the next definition, neighborhoods. A set S is said to be neighborhood of a point z naught if there exists an open disk centered at z naught which is entirely contained in S, and the point z naught is said to be a interior point of S. Next definition, dilated neighborhood. A set S is said to be dilated neighborhood of a point z naught if there exists an open disk centered at z naught which is entirely contained in S excluding the point z naught. It's called as dilated neighborhood. Next definition, open sets. A set is said to be an open set if it is neighborhood of each of its points. A neighborhood of each of its points. In other words, if every point z of a set S, if every point of z of a set is S is an interior point, then S is said to be an open set. You move to the next definition, that is connected set. If any pair of points Z1 and Z2 in a set S can be connected by a polygonal line, that consists of finite number of line segments joined end to end that lies entirely in the set, then the set S is said to be connected. It's called as connected set. What is meant by domain? An open connected set is called as domain. What is region? A region is a set of points in the complex plane with all, some or more, none of its boundary points. Since an open set does not contain any boundary points, it is automatically a region. A region that contains all its boundary points is said to be closed. The disk defined by mod z minus z naught less than or equal to r is an example of closed region and referred as to a closed disk. A neighborhood of a point z naught defined by mod z minus z naught less than r is an open set or an open region and is said to be an open disk. It's called as regions. We move to the next definition, bounded sets. A set S is a complex plane is bounded if there exists a real number r greater 0 such that mod z less than r. For every z in S, that is S, is bounded if it can be completely enclosed within some neighborhoods of the region is called as a bounded sets. Is called as bounded